Let's cook more Bulgarian dishes. Meatball soup. Супа топчета. Супа топчета. Ingredients. You need mince. It can be only beef. It can be beef and pork. It can be lamb. It depends what kind of taste you want. Usually we use beef and pork. We mix it together. So you can have half and half or 300 or 400. It's up to you. So you have the mince, mix it, season with salt, black pepper, cumin, parsley and basil if you want, which is season, подправки, salt, sol, black pepper, черен пипер, cumin, кимион, parsley, магданоз. I wrote presen magdanos, not dried, and basil, bosилек. So you season. Next thing you need is, as you can see, onion. You can add potato if you want, or you can skip it. I literally skip it. I think I don't have a picture of, I add lots of, you'll see at the end, lots of carrots. So you need definitely carrots. And then you have this vermicelli nest, which is fide. If you can't find fide or vermicelli nest, you can use noodles. It works perfectly well, but try to use like very thin noodles. So onion, look, potato, картоф, you can skip that one, garlic, чесън, and fide. And carrots, as I said, моркови. When you season the mince, you make small balls, as you can see. So what you can do, you can just make small pieces, throw them in a tray with flour, and then roll, and they all will become like balls, or make it one by one, which will take time. First thing to do, in oil, saute the onion and the carrots. As you can see, they are sliced in cubes. Now you can add the potato if you want to use potato as well. Then pour boiling water. So fill the pot with boiling water. When it starts boiling, add the meatballs. Leave it for, let's say, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Then add the noodles or fide. That's the last thing you are adding. And probably it needs 10-15 more minutes to be ready. When it's ready, you add the fresh parsley on the top. We also do, but I don't do it. When it's ready, I add a spoon of yogurt. That's how I like it. But when the soup is ready, before the parsley, we do egg yolk and yogurt. Like 2 spoons of yogurt, 1 yolk. Mix it, and add it to the soup. But because the soup is very hot, you have to be careful with the milk. That's why we add egg yolk. If you add the white of the yolk, you boil it. You don't want that. That's why you need only egg yolk. You can skip that part if you want. I personally do exactly that. When the soup is ready, I just add yogurt. And of course, you can have a toast with the soup or something else. It's up to you. It's very delicious. I make this soup when I feel sick, or when I feel I'm going to be sick or tired. It's delicious, it's healthy, and it's very Bulgarian thing because it's with meatballs. I hope you enjoy this dish. Please let me know in the comments. Did you find it easy to make? Did you find it delicious? Did you change any ingredients? And if you share it with friends, what they thought about it. Bon appetit! Добър апетит! Добър апетит!